Good afternoon, dear children.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
How was your weekend? How was the weekend?
Nice, ma'am.
Nice. Okay. Did you all enjoy?
Yes, ma'am.
At the same time, I hope a little bit of studies was also going on.
Yes,
Yes?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay. Good. So in the last class, we practiced some words, how to pronounce. Do you remember?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
So I'm going to spell the word. Whoever I call out the name, you have to give me how to pronounce the word. Okay, you have to.
Ma'am, he was not there because my connection got that time.
Okay.
Last class I was asked me, ma'am. This is connection.
Shreya, the first word SWALLOW.
Ma'am? Ma'am? Can you say it one more time?
Children, can you hear me properly?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Shreya, first
Yes,
word
ma'am.
I'm going to spell the word. You just pronounce it. Okay. SWALLOW.
SWALL.
SWALLOW.
Solo.
Swallow. Yes.
Solo.
Muhammad Afam, next word. SORROW. 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 Okay. Amin, third word. SAPPHIRE.
Sapphire.
Sapphire. Once again.
Sapphire.
Okay. Others, please mute. Okay. Then, next word, puja. GATHERING. How do you pronounce the word?
I was not there in the last.
Do you know how to pronounce the word GATHERING?
No.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, who will help Pooja?
Ma'am.
Aditi,
Yes, ma'am.
pronounce the word. GATHERING.
Gathering.
Gathering. Okay, good. Gathering. Okay, next, Anandan Raj.
Yes, ma'am.
STRENGTH. STRENGTH. How do you pronounce the word?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes.
Stretch.
Strength.
Strength.
Okay. Now, Adviga. Okay. MIGRATING. How do you pronounce the word? MIGRATING. Yes? Adviga? Adviga, can I hear from you? Adviga is not responding. Saurav?
Yes, ma'am.
Pronounce the word, quick. MIGRATING. MIGRATING. Make it fast.
I don't know.
Huh? I don't know.
Ma'am,
Sri
can I
Shankar?
please?
Migrating. Okay, good. Next, Vaiga.
Yes,
Next word. GRATITUDE. GRATITUDE.
Ma'am, can I please?
Vaiga.
Ma'am, you were there in the last class.
Shreya.
Yes, ma'am. Gratitude.
Gratitude. Okay. Last word. Angeline Relix. Angeline. Last word is for you. PRECIOUS.
Precious.
Louder. Louder. Precious. Okay. So children, everyone unmute. We will practice once again and we'll start with the story. Unmute everyone. But you have to be very careful. Okay. Listen and then repeat.
Ma'am, to mute or unmute?
Unmute. Now we are going to practice it once again. And then when you come for the next class, you have to learn the spellings of these words. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. First
Yes.
word, swallow.
Swallow.
Second, sorrow.
Sorrow.
Swallow.
Sorrow. Second word.
Sapphire.
Third, sapphire.
Sapphire.
What, ma'am?
Sapphire.
Not here.
Fire.
Disturbance are coming.
Angelina.
Ma'am, can't hear you.
Okay. Then mute it. Mute it. I will give you the word. You just practice it. Okay. Mute. Everyone, please mute. Everyone. Disturbance will be coming. Okay. I understand. First word, swallow. Second, sorrow. Are you practicing? Third, sapphire. Sapphire. Fourth, some are muting, that is why.
Noise are coming. I cannot hear you. Done is playing. Cannot hear anything. Ma'am, done is playing.
Okay. Next, gathering. Fourth, gathering. Fifth, strength. Once again, strength. Then, migrating.
Migrating.
Yes. Then, seventh word, gratitude.
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 And last word, precious.
Precious.
Okay. Thank you, dear children. You can keep in muted mode now.
Yes, ma'am.
And the last class, did I give you any homework?
No, ma'am.
Oh, ma'am.
We did not have any homework. Okay. So children, now I'm going to ask you, what are the kind of good qualities that you have? Who's going to tell me? Just raise your hand. That's it. Just raise your hand. Who is going to give me the answer? Okay, we'll start with Sri Shankar. Sri Shankar, tell me, what are the good qualities that you have?
I'm helping others.
Helping others. Then?
Ma'am.
Helping others.
Wait. After Sri Shankar, I'll come to each one of you. Okay. Helping another person. Then?
Helping.
Only that one? Okay, Shreya.
Ma'am, helping others. First I said helping others.
Okay.
Then positive mind.
Positive mind, very good.
Listen to our parents.
Respect elders.
Respect elders, good.
Uh,
Helping mentality, positive attitude. Respect for elders, very good.
then doing all the activity properly.
Yes,
Doing all
doing
things.
things, punctuality, doing things on time. Good. Okay, that's it.
Okay.
Anyone else? Vishnu? Angelina, I'll come to you now. Vishnu, come on quick.
Ma'am, caring others.
Caring, very good. Caring others. That's all? Okay, then I'll move to Angelina.
Giving
Angelina,
happy to others.
once your chance is over, please mute, okay? Please mute, children. I really wanted to hear from all of you because you all have a lot of answers with you. But then, due to time limitation,
Ma'am.
please do understand, I have to move from
Okay.
one to another,
Okay.
okay?
Ma'am.
Angelina Martin, come on.
Respecting our teachers.
Respecting teachers. Okay, Pooja.
Being attention on.
Pooja,
Yes, ma'am.
tell me any good quality that you have.
Helping others.
Okay, helping others. Abhishek, come on, make it fast, make it fast. We don't have time.
I'm respecting elders.
Hmm?
Respecting elders.
Respecting elders. Yes, Vaiga. Hmm.
Caring others.
Caring. Okay. Now we come across the same points: helping others, respecting elders, then caring.
Giving.
Ma'am,
Anything else other than
Sharing.
that?
Sharing.
Sharing things. Ma'am, can I tell?
Okay, all right.
Sharing
children.
Giving.
Okay. Ahil Samir, yes, what is your answer?
Saving the earth by planting trees.
I cannot hear you.
Saving the earth by planting trees.
Once again.
Saving the earth by planting trees and
Okay,
plants.
very good, very good. Saving the earth by planting trees. Okay, fantastic. Good, good. Yes, Advika?
Ma'am, you didn't send the notes of David Copperfield.
My dear child, please, I have already uploaded it in the website. You please check into it, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, all right. So, dear children, please unmute. Sorry, please mute everyone. Please mute. Now we are starting with a chapter. Everyone, please mute and listen. Okay. So we are moving on to the second chapter, The Happy Prince, written by
Oscar Wilde.
yes, Oscar Wilde. So in the last class, we learned about Oscar Wilde. Do you
Yes,
remember
ma'am.
all those points?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So The Happy Prince is a short story written by Oscar Wilde, especially for children. Okay. It is a short story written by Oscar Wilde, especially for children. And the story has a theme. What is the message that the story is conveying? That is, the source of happiness comes not from the worldly possession, but from helping others. Most of you told me that you are good in helping others. Very good. Sometimes you may be helping your parents, your mom in the kitchen,
Yes,
your
ma'am.
dad, maybe for cleaning his
Absolutely,
car. Yes,
absolutely.
you might be helping your friends. You might be teaching them. If they do not
Yes.
know some portion, if they have doubts, you will be clearing the doubt for them. Then you will
Yes.
be helping your brother or sister. Okay, so in
Yes.
many ways, you help people around you.
Yes.
That is a very good habit. That is a good quality.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so very good quality that you have possessed. So when do we become happy? When we really become happy? When we help others, when we are
Yes, ma'am.
concerned about others. We have to
Yes.
look into the problems that others are facing. Children, please mute, okay? Please mute and listen. We have to look into the problems that the other people are facing. And we have to try to find a solution for it. When we try to make others happy, happiness comes to us naturally. Is it clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Right.
We try to help others when we
Mhm.
when we look into the problems that other people are facing. When you are able to find a solution for it, happiness comes to us automatically. So it's always better to give than to receive. When we give others whatever that we have, whether it's our talent, whether it's a good quality, when we share with others, it makes us more happy.
Sharing is caring.
Yes, very good. Sharing is caring. Definitely. That is a very true statement. So, happiness comes from within when we reach out to people, those who are in need. Okay.
Yes.
So, you have to look around people and see that whether they are in a problem, try to find a solution for that. If you find somebody crying, go and just console them.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. When you
And
find
be
some people
listening
are
to
fighting,
them, giving
try
it
to
to
find a
like
solution for it. So when
chocolate.
somebody is in need, always extend a helping hand to those people around you, and happiness will come automatically. So the story Happy Prince is a beautiful short story written by Oscar Wilde, which conveys a good message that we have to help people around us.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
I read that
Shall
story,
we
ma'am.
shall we move into the story?
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
So I want somebody else to read. Just raise your hand. Just raise your hand and I will come to you. Those who
Ma'am,
would
I
like to
will
read,
read,
just
ma'am,
raise your
ma'am.
hand. Yes, Roshan. Okay. I will start with Aditi. Aditi, start reading.
The statue of the Happy Prince stood high above the city. It was covered with gold. Its eyes were of
Sapphire.
sapphire and a
Sapphire. Sapphire.
sapphire
Sapphire.
and a
Ruby.
ruby
And the ruby
hook
hung from its
hung from its waist.
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 Okay. Once again. Okay. Thank you, Aditi. Once again, I want somebody else to read. Astraya,
Yes,
read
ma'am.
that first paragraph once again.
The statue of the happy prince stood high above the city. It was covered with gold. Its eyes were of sapphire, and a
His
ruby
eyes were of sapphire. We learned how to pronounce that word, don't we?
sapphire.
Yes.
Sapphire.
Yes. Its eyes were of sapphire.
And a ruby hung from its waist.
Okay. Continue.
One day, a sailor migrating to distant lands for the winter stopped at the foot of the statue to rest.
Okay.
However,
Now, Sri Shankar, read the remaining. Sri Shankar. Read
One
from
day,
where she
a
stopped.
sailor migrating to distant lands for the winter stopped at the foot of the statue to rest. However, as he put his head under his wing, a large drop of water fell on him. He looked up and saw the eyes of the happy prince filled with tears.
Okay. Hridan, what are you doing there? Hridan, are you attending the class? I can see you lying on the floor. Hridan, sit properly. Okay. So, dear children, how is the statue described in the story? The statue of the happy prince
it's
was
gold.
fixed high above the city on the top portion on a tall column where this entire statue was covered with gold. Just imagine how nice it will be. The big statue is covered with gold and its eyes were of sapphire. Have you seen what is sapphire?
A diamond, gold, a type of gold.
Gold, a type of gold.
Oh, damn, it's a diamond.
Diamond.
One at a time. It's not a diamond.
Like a diamond.
Diamond is white in color. Diamond is white in color.
Stone. Diamond stone.
Yes.
Blue minerals.
Sapphire is another precious gemstone.
Yes, ma'am, gemstone.
Very expensive. Okay. Sapphire is a very expensive gemstone. And a ruby hung from its waist. So now I'll be showing
Ruby
you the picture.
means that
Okay, just have a look
Also
at the picture.
gemstone.
Can you see
Gemstone.
the picture?
No, ma'am, it's only coming. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
See, the statue of Happy Prince was kept high above the city, and the outer part is fully covered with gold. Okay, the inside it is made of lead, another metal, but the outside of the statue is covered with gold, and it is huge in size. And what about the eyes of Prince?
Sapphire.
Sapphire and ruby.
Eyes were made of
Sapphire.
Let's have a look at the image of sapphire. Yes, this is sapphire.
Wow.
See, it's a precious gemstone
Fine.
which is blue in color.
Blue.
Okay, sapphire,
Dark
blue
blue.
in color. Blue stone, blue gemstone. That is very expensive. So you have to learn the spelling. Sapphire. What is the spelling?
S-A-P-P-H-I-R-E.
Yes, sapphire. At home, you have to learn to pronounce
Okay, ma'am.
and also to
Okay, ma'am.
get the word. Okay.
Okay,
Spelling
ma'am.
also you have to learn. Sapphire. Let's have a look at some more images. See, it differs in shape also. Yes. See, different shapes. Sapphire. Got
Like
it?
a diamond.
Yes.
Like a diamond.
Yes. Somewhat the
Like a
shape, somewhat
diamond.
resembles, but it is different. Don't say that it is diamond. It is sapphire. A blue gemstone.
Gemstone.
Precious gemstone that is blue in color is called sapphire.
Sapphire.
Okay, got it?
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now let's have a look at
Ruby.
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 See?
It's in red in color.
Yes. Another precious gemstone,
Yes, ma'am.
red in color.
ruby.
It's very, very costly. All these gemstones.
Ruby.
Ruby. What is spelling?
Ruby.
R-U.
R-U.
R-U-B-Y.
Y.
R-U-B-Y.
Another image of ruby. Very beautiful.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Beautiful ruby stones.
Wow.
So sometimes you might have seen some people wearing ring made
Yes,
out
ma'am.
of
Yes, ma'am.
ruby stone or
Yes, ma'am.
sapphire stone.
Movies and
Okay.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
different kinds of gemstones are there. Precious stones like diamond, sapphire, ruby, emerald. Then yellow sapphire is there. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Cat's eye. Many different kinds of gemstones are available in the earth. And our princess eyes were made of
Sapphire.
sapphire. Yes, the precious gemstone. And where was the ruby found?
No, it's a waste.
Yes, on the
Hung it.
waist.
Hung
On
it.
princess waist, there was. Who is calling me, ma'am? Who's that?
Ma'am, what is the spelling of sulfur?
Sapphire. S-A-P-P-H-I-R-E. Sapphire. S-A-P-P-H-I-R-E. It is there in the textbook. Okay, sapphire.
Okay.
So on the waist of prince, there hung a sword. On the handle of sword, there was ruby. Got it?
Ma'am.
The handle of sword, there was a ruby. Is it clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
So what was the princess statue made of?
Gold.
Princess statue was made of gold, and his eyes were of sapphire, and a red ruby hung from the waist.
Yes.
Samir, give me the answer. What was the princess statue made of?
Gold, sapphire, and ruby and sword. Eyes
Only Ahil. I asked only Ahil to give me the answer. Others, please listen, children. Please listen. Okay, Ahil, once
Princess
again.
statue was made out of gold, and the eyes was made out of sapphire, and ruby was in the sword and the waist.
Yes, good. The princess statue was made out of gold. The statue was covered with gold, and his eyes were made of sapphire, and there was a ruby hung from the waist. Okay, there was a sword on his waist, and on the handle of sword, we find a ruby.
Ma'am, can
Is
you
this
say
word
that one
clear?
more time? Ma'am, that word sword.
It is not there in the story. In your textbook, it is not mentioned about the sword. But in the actual short story, Oscar Wilde has written that there is a sword on the waist, and on the
Okay.
handle of the sword, there is a ruby. For your extra information, I just told. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
All right. Now we will proceed. One day, a swallow migrating to distant lands for the winter stopped at the foot of the statue to rest. Have you seen swallow?
No, ma'am.
Okay, let's have a look at the
A
picture.
large bird.
Yes, this is swallow. This is swallow, a small bird with
Wow,
large wings
so
and a
cute.
forked tail. Spellings you have to learn. Swallow. S-W-A-L-L-O-W. Swallow. Okay. Swallow. S-W-A-L-L-O-W. Another image. Swallow. Bird with long wings and a forked tail. Did you see the tail? The specialty of its tail?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Like
ma'am.
a fork.
Like a triangle.
Just like a fork.
V.
Yes. And we find it has got a long wings, and the bird is
Yes,
very
ma'am.
short. Okay, small
Yes,
bird.
ma'am.
So one day, a swallow was migrating to distant lands. What do you mean by migrating?
No idea. Birds will come to
Migrating
other
means,
places
listen.
because of the climate.
Migrating means to move from one area to another. To move from one area to another at different times of year. Sometimes when the climate is very cold, the birds move from colder region to
Yes, ma'am.
a warm region.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Have you seen how the
Red
birds
head.
migrate?
No, ma'am.
When you look up at the sky, have you seen the birds migrating?
Yes, ma'am. Birds will go to
Ah.
The screen.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
See, they are migrating in a V shape. Yes. Another group of birds migrating. Can you see, children?
Yes, ma'am.
They will form in
I see
yes,
so
ma'am.
many.
Yes.
So
Mostly
many
they
birds
they fly in V shape. Okay. Once again, another image. Yes. See?
Yeah.
Okay, so when you get time, please go out and look up at the
Yes, ma'am.
sky. You
In
can
the
see
evening.
the birds
I see
migrating.
Evening, ma'am.
I see, ma'am.
I
Ma'am, I
saw.
also. Ma'am, I
Okay,
saw.
did you see that?
Yes, ma'am, I saw.
Yes,
I saw
ma'am.
that.
Ma'am, I also saw
How many
one.
birds will
Okay,
go?
okay. Children, please
I saw
don't make too
1,000.
much of noise.
Ma'am.
Okay. So one day, a swallow was migrating to a distant land. And distant land here in the story. Okay, here in the story, we find that Oscar Wilde tells about Egypt. All his friends went to Egypt. Only one swallow was remaining, and he also was continuing with this journey. The entire daytime, he flew, and when it became night, he thought of taking a rest. Okay, he thought of taking rest. And where did he find? Do you know where he find a position to take rest? Yes, at the foot of the statue.
Video.
What happened?
Sorry, ma'am. No, ma'am. It's
Okay.
clear, ma'am.
So we find that the swallow thought of taking rest at the foot of the statue. As he put his head under the wing, a large drop of water fell on him, and when he looked up, he saw tears in the eyes of Prince. Okay. So when the swallow was planning to take rest at the foot of the statue, a large drop of water fell on its body, and swallow looked up at the sky, and he wondered, there is not even a single cloud on the sky. Then how it is raining? It is so strange, swallow thought. But then he found the drops of water was falling again and again, and finally swallow understood that it was the princess who was crying, and the drops of water were the tears of prince. Is it clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so we did a little bit of the story today. We'll be continuing in the next class. So please go through those 2 paragraphs. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. It was a wonderful
Practice
class,
those
ma'am.
words and learn the spellings.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you for this class,
See
ma'am.
you in the
Bye.
next class. Thank you, children.
Next class.
Thank you.